Good morning, my student. Welcome back to my channel, Commerce Adda. Here in this video, I will explain how interest on drawings is calculated if the question comes like this. Okay, suppose this question is combined with beginning of every month and quarter of every month, and there is a mixed question here. Point number 5, you can see if you withdraw as follows. Okay, 1st June, different dates, then how will solve this question? Okay, so one by one I will explain. Okay, this is the point. Here mix different date is also given, beginning of every month and the beginning of every quarter, here it is given. Okay, this is the question, just you follow and we'll continue with the solution now. Okay, so start. So we'll write solution here. First of all, we'll explain point number 1. Okay, here it is written, if you withdraw 5,000 per month in the beginning of every month, then we'll calculate interest on drawing. First of all, we'll calculate interest on drawing. That is, interest on drawing equal to, here 5,000 every month, that is, we'll calculate total drawings. Okay, formula total drawings into rate divided by 100. Here rate is how much? 10% in this question. Again here, if it is beginning of every month, then 6.5 we have to take. Okay, here total drawings means 5,000 every month, 5,000 into 12, that is how much you'll get? 60,000. Okay, into rate divided by 100 into 6.5, that is beginning of every month. That's why we'll take average period, that is 6.5. Okay, so here 60,000 will come into what is the rate? 10%, isn't it? Yeah, write down 100 into 6.5 divided by 12. So this is the, here you will get the solution, how much? 3250. Okay, this is our first solution, first point. Again we'll start next point. Point number 2, here it is given, if you withdraw 5,000 per month at the end of every month. If it is at the end of every month, we have to remember the average period. Okay, here we will write 5.5 as average period. Okay, first of all we'll calculate interest on drawing. Interest on drawing equal to, same formula will follow. Okay, total drawings into rate divided by 100 into 5.5. If it is end of every month, then we'll take 5.5. Okay, total drawings here 5,000 into same condition. Okay, same will follow, into rate how much? 10% into 5.5 divided by 12. So how much we'll get? If you calculate this, you will get 60,000 into 10 by 100 into 5.5 divided by 12. Okay, so if you calculate this, we'll find interest on drawing 2750. Okay, this is the solution for point number 2. Again, point number 3, we'll calculate point number 3. Here it is given, if you withdraw 5,000 per month during the year. Next question, here the date is not mentioned. Okay, that is why we'll assume that the drawings were made in the middle of every month. Okay, we'll write first, assuming that the drawings were made in the middle of every month. Why would we have taken? Here the exact month is not given, that is why during the year it is mentioned. That is why we will calculate beginning, we have calculated, end we have calculated, and last one is missing, that is middle, we suppose. Okay, we assume. Therefore interest on drawing is equal to directly we'll write. Okay, same formula, 5,000 into 12, we will get 60,000. Rate divided by 100, rate is 10%, and by 100 into, if it is middle of every month, then we will take 6 month. Okay, 6 by 12. So next, if you calculate this, we will find rupees 3,000. Okay, 3,000 is our interest on drawings. Point number 3. Again we'll calculate point number 4. Okay, point number 4, it is given if you withdraw 60,000 during the year. As the date is not mentioned, so we'll calculate interest on drawing for an average period. Okay, we'll calculate for an average period of 6 months. If it is date is not mentioned in the question, when it is withdrawn, then we'll take 6 month interest on drawing average period. Okay, so we'll calculate for an average period of 6 month. Okay, 6 month. So therefore interest on drawing, we'll write interest on, just you follow me, okay students, so that you will get the exact concept how we'll calculate interest on drawing if the question comes for different tricks. Okay, so interest on drawing equal to, what is the drawings here? 60,000 during the year means whole year it is mentioned, per month is not mentioned, that is why we have taken 60,000. This question is very important. Okay, if it is during the year given 60,000, then we'll write directly 60,000. So this is the solution, 3,000 will get. Again, next point we'll write. Next point is very interesting. For this, if you withdraws as follows. Okay, this is the format for calculating. Here the date is different, that is why we'll calculate under product method. Okay, if the date is different and the amount is different, then we'll find point number 5 in this way. Okay, in a product method. Okay, so we'll make a format. This is the format. You just write down date, amount of drawings, period. Okay, period month up to 31st March. Okay, for how many months it is being withdrawn. Okay, next product, that is multiply. Okay, product. Next, first point is given when he has withdrawn 1st June 16. Okay, write down what is the amount of withdrawn, 20,000. Again, for what period? June, say June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. That means for 10 months. If you multiply 20,000 into 10, then you will get 2 lakh. Okay, next point, 31st August 2016. Okay, what is the amount of withdrawn? 10,000. So for how many months? August is left out, अगस्त गया, तो उसके बाद सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च. Okay, 7 months, then 70,000. So in this way we will calculate. Okay, if it is 31st October, then we leave the October, November, December, January, February, March. That means for 5 months we will calculate drawings. Okay, 90,000. And the last point here remain 1st February 2017. Our year will end 31st March. For 1st February, March, for 2 months we will calculate interest on drawing. So 2 months drawing will be 24,000. So if we total this, we will find total of product. Okay, 3,84,000. So this is the total value. Just write down. Okay, now we'll calculate interest on drawing from this value, total product. Okay, this is the table. I hope you will understand this if you follow. Okay, just keep on writing. Therefore interest on drawing, now we'll calculate interest on drawing. Okay, so write interest on drawings equal to, what is the total product? That is total product. Okay, here we'll write total product into rate divided by 100 into 1 by 12. We have taken whole year. Okay, that is by 1 by 12. So 384 into 10 by 100 into, what is the rate? 10%, 10 by 100 into 1 by 12. So if we calculate this, okay, we'll get 3200. Okay, this is the interest on drawing under this method. So next point number 6. Okay, point number 6 we'll write 6. Here it is given, if we withdraw 50,000 in the beginning of each quarter. Now quarters came, okay, this is a combined question, so little bit of lengthy, just keep on watching so that you will get knowledge if question comes like this. Okay, we will calculate interest on drawing. Here each quarter means 15,000, that means in a year there is 4 quarter, 15 into 4 60,000. I have written directly, okay, you just 15,000 into 4, in each quarter it will be 3 months, that means in a year there will be 4 quarter, that is why 15,000 into 4 60,000 into, now we will write rate, how much, 10%. Okay, is it okay? Next, if it is at the beginning of each quarter, then we'll write, okay, 7.5 as average period 12. Okay, if you calculate this, I have already mentioned 15,000 into 4 you will get 60,000. For your convenience I have written here, okay, this. Okay, so we'll calculate this, how much you will get here, rupees 3750, this is the amount. Okay, next we'll proceed for next point number 7. Okay, in point number 7 it is given, if we withdraw 15,000 at the end of each quarter. Now end wala, okay, at the end of each quarter it is given, and for this you have to take 4.5 months as average period. Okay, same procedure. Okay, if we multiply 15,000 into 4 quarter, then you will get 60,000 into rate 10 by 100 into how much, 4.5, because it is end of each quarter, that is why we have taken 4.5. Okay, if you calculate this, you will find interest on drawing equal to 2250. Okay, this is the amount, and the last one here remain, if we withdraw 15,000 during the middle of each quarter. Next point, just you look at the question. First of all, you write down the question in a piece of paper so that you will understand this. Okay, in short, interest on drawing equal to, here same 15,000 into 4, that means 60,000, directly I have written, rate divided by 100 into how much, if it is middle, then we'll take 6 months, 6 by 12. If you calculate this, then we'll find 3,000. Okay, so this is the amount. Okay, 15,000, this is the basic concept I have just written for your convenience. Okay, in a year there will be 4 quarter, then you'll get 60,000. So student, this is the solution. Okay, 3,000 interest on drawing. So this is the lengthy question, just you follow the steps so that you will understand everything. So I hope this is a simple video. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends and circle, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and just click on the bell icon.